Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we are going to take a look at the best 3mm hex bit on the market, the BRAZEN 3mm Hex Bit Socket, Allen Driver 3-pack. If you're someone who works with tools regularly, whether in your garage, workshop, or on professional projects, this 3-pack is definitely something you should consider. The BRAZEN 3mm Hex Bit Socket, Allen Driver 3-pack is a must-have for anyone who needs reliable, high-performance tools. Each of these bits is designed with precision and durability in mind, making them perfect for tackling a variety of tasks, from assembling furniture to working on complex machinery. What really sets this product apart is its high-strength steel construction. These drivers are specifically made to resist rounding and cracking, ensuring they'll last for years to come. If you've ever been frustrated by a stripped or worn-out hex bit, this pack promises to eliminate that problem. The knurled rim of each socket is designed for easy turning by hand, so even if you're working in tight spaces or need to make quick adjustments, you won't struggle with getting a grip. And with size markings on both sides of the socket, identifying the right bit for the job is always quick and easy. This thoughtful design makes the set highly user-friendly, saving you time and frustration during your projects. This set includes 3 short 3/8-inch drive bits, all in the essential 3mm size, which is perfect for a variety of common tasks. Whether you're using these bits for automotive repair, DIY home projects, or even professional tool repairs, they fit perfectly and securely into your tools, ensuring a smooth experience every time. What's more, the steel finish not only looks great but also enhances the durability of the bits, protecting them from wear and tear over time. Whether you're using these for heavy-duty tasks or for lighter, more intricate work, the BRAZEN 3mm Hex Bit Socket, Allen Driver 3-pack offers the versatility and toughness you need. Finally, BRAZEN has made sure that these bits meet high industry standards, giving you the confidence to use them on all your projects. They are garage certified, meaning they've been tested and proven to withstand regular use in demanding conditions. So, if you're looking for a reliable set of hex bits that won't let you down, the BRAZEN 3mm Hex Bit Socket, Allen Driver 3-pack is definitely worth checking out. Trust me, once you've used these, you'll never want to go back to those other flimsy, easily worn-out bits. That's it for today's review on the BRAZEN 3mm Hex Bit Socket, Allen Driver 3-pack. Make sure to like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below if you've had the chance to use this set or if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next review.